Hello everyone, I am Vidyasagar, lecturer in computer science. In this video, I am going to explain two important tags, that is a DIV, which stands for division, division tag and span tag. So let's start with the program, opening the HTML tag, opening the body tag. Now let me take the div tag. So before giving the theory explanation of a division tag, so let me show you the practical way how the div tag works. So let me explain that first. So div tag I am taking here and I am writing one of the laptop company name, so Dell, and close the div tag. Div stands for division. So this is one division, okay. So some data is one division. Now let me take another set of data. So say for example Lenovo, and close the div tag here. Now close the body tag and the HTML tag, and then save the program. I already saved the program as div.html. So div.html, L is not mandatory, saving it on the desktop. Yeah, already I saved it. Okay, so division tag is ready now. So what I mean to say, this is one set of data, this is another set of data. So whenever you have large amount of data which you wanted to visually make it separate, then use the div tag. Okay, so let me remove the spaces here. Okay, now just save the program and execute the program, this one. Okay, right, see here, this is Dell and Lenovo. See, I am not using any break tag, but Lenovo word is coming in the new line because this is another set of data, so obviously it will come in the new line. So you can see that I am not using any break tag because this is a separate division and Lenovo is the next separate division, so automatically that this second division is going to come in the new line. So let me do one thing, let me apply the colors here. So for example, style is equal to say color is red. Okay, sorry, yeah, red color. So div and span tags, dear students, those are especially very useful when you work with cascading style sheets, CSS. Okay, so this is a way of writing the cascading style sheet program. Okay, now div tag, applying the style. What is the style I am writing? Color must be the red color. Okay, so it has to be in the double quotes. Okay, color spelling you remember, COLOR. Okay, not COLOUR. Okay, so now save the program and just reload the program. Okay, so color is here, good, red color we are getting. Next, for this another set of data, I will take this time, I will take blue color. Save the program, run the program. See, it means, see, if you have see, I am only just showing you only with one word, but when you have large amount of data, so this large amount of data you can put it in this division, within this division you put and apply the style whatever you want. So whenever you have large amount of data and visually if you wanted to classify the data with the different styles, so at that point of time div tag is very helpful for you. Okay, so programmatically, for clear understanding, I am just pressing on enter button 2 times. So this is first division, this is second division. Hope you got some clarity. Okay, and one more style also I will show you here. So I will remove this coloring part. I will explain about the how to give the border. Okay, so border, say for example 1 pixel, and the color must be the solid black color. It has to be within the double quotes. Style has to be within the double quotes. Okay, so to this Dell word, what I am doing, I am giving the 1 pixel of a solid black color. Okay, save the program and execute here. See, so I I think you got some clarity why we need to use the div tag. So div tag is for giving the separate visual appearance to the text whatever you are displaying in your web page, right? So now let me explain about the another program, that is a span tag, right? Okay, let me explain about the span tag. And let me start with the span tag. Okay, so now how the span tag will work. Okay, say for example if I wanted to write some text, okay, this is a Dell laptop. Okay, so some text I am producing here, so I will save this program, save as span.html, saving it on my desktop. Okay, so when I save this and see the output here, so it is coming normally. Okay, so what I can do now, I will use the span tag here. Okay, so let's see this. The word Dell, only this word Dell, I wanted to display this word in a red color. So what to do? So now I will apply the span tag. See here, span style is equal to, same like how you are giving the style to the div, it is also similar. Okay, so span, what is the style I am giving? Color I am giving. What is the color? Red color. So I will close the span tag here. Span is a paired tag, opening and closing is there. So while I am opening the span tag, I mentioned the color must be red color, and I closed the span here. And in between the opening and closing of span, what is there? The word Dell is there, right? So now let's see what happens. Okay, save the program and just reload this page. See now, means then what is the difference? Did you notice the difference between the span tag and the division tag? See, span tag is useful for you to highlight the data, or visually separate the data or highlight the data, okay, visually, okay, by applying some kind of a style. So span tag is used with inline elements. Okay, inline elements means within the say for example you take this a paragraph tag. Okay, so within the paragraph tag you are writing all this content. Okay, so that's what inline means. So basically it's not about inline elements only, I mean within the line. So you have to remember only one thing: for any data you can apply the span style. So that data can be within the tag or without the tag also. So I just have shown you without any tag, right? So now see the program. So there is no change here, right? Okay, so within the tag, within another tag you can use span tag, or within no tag also, like this also. I mean, see, there is no tag, right? So this is some data, you are just applying the style. So this data is not within any tag. Okay, this can be within any tag or this cannot be within any other tag. Okay, so if you are confused, okay, with one more example I will tell you. What is the tag? Underline tag, right? So underline tag, u tag, right, save the program. So this is the data which is within another tag. Even though if this data is in another tag, I am applying the span style. Okay, so let's see the program. Yes. So irrespective of that, even though whatever the style span style you are applying, even though that is available within the u and any other tag or not, you can apply and go ahead with the span styles. Okay, so this is one thing. But now just to give you the clarity, another clarity, let me write here div tag is a block level tag. It means, say you have large amount of data, something like one group, one bunch of data, one bulk of data, one block of data. So if you want to apply any style to block of data, div tag is useful. If you wanted to apply to very little amount of data, then use the span tag. The span tag is used with less data or inline elements. Just remember this. Okay. So now let me combine the program. Let me combine the div program and the okay. So right. So within one program we have everything. So the first word is one division, which is appearing in red color. Second division, which is appearing in the blue color. So after this, okay, so in output also everything has to be very clear, right? So what I will do, I will write some data here, something like division tag, span tag. Okay, so I think this will be very clear for you to understand when you see the output. So let me show you this. So this is how the output will come. So division, sorry, division tag. Yeah. So division tag and span tag. So after the word span tag, use the break tag. And here also before span tag use two break tags. Save the program. Yeah. So division tag, so first division, second division, and this is inline. So whenever there is a lot of some data is there only for specific data, if you want to apply any styles, then use the span tag. Okay, so if you want you can write like this also, first division and second division data, first division data, second division data. So I think now it's very easy for you to understand. Okay, so this is the first division data, second division data. div tag is useful as a block level. Okay, so you write some other data also. Okay, let me take some data, div and span tag in HTML. Let me show you the very good information about the div and span tag. Just give me a minute. I have some data. Let me show you that. Yeah. So basically div and span tags are as a grouping elements, and you can see here. Just please take the screenshots of this information. So it's a lot of. I mean, if you want more and more explanation is required, then you just can go ahead with this information. Okay, so now what I am saying, if you take this content, okay, this is one block, and instead of first division, let me keep that Save the program and let me show you the output, how the output will look. See, the entire first division, whatever the data you have, so that is coming in the red color. So this is one division, and you take the second division of data. So this is another division, right? So another division of data. Right, save this. Now you see here. So this is how when you display the data to your audience in the form of web pages. So this is very clear. This is some division, separate content, and this is some separate content. So how could you appeal that these two are separate contents? Because both are two different divisions, and two different divisions are separated here by the color. Okay. So span tag, you see, it's a complete block. It's complete whatever the content, a lot of content you have written. So this is one complete content. So that's why division tag is called a block level tag. Okay, and span tag is only inline. So within the line itself, you can apply any style whatever you want. So I hope I gave the enough clarity about the div and span tags. Okay, so in record, if you wanted to write, so you can write this program. Yeah, that's it. So this is how you need to write the program in the record. That's it. This is, by the way, the program number 7. Write a HTML program using grouping elements. Okay, so div tag and span tag are known as grouping elements, grouping tags. Thank you all of you. If you have any doubts, please put a comment. Thank you.